It's a video inspection of the sewer line at number 22 Stafford. So we utilized the camera and we saw some tree root intrusion that the snake was unable to remove at about 8 feet, which we're going to look at that spot as we pull the camera back. Right now, I'm going to just rinse my lens off a little. Right now we're in about 66 feet and we're at the connection to the city sewer. It appears we have transite pipe, which is a cement and asbestos pipe, and we're going to inspect this. We still have the chain knocker in there, but we pulled that back to about 30 feet. So we're going to inspect this now as we pull it out. So we have a little bit of water running from a kitchen sink just to keep the camera and the equipment clean. That's the water you see at the bottom of the pipe. Out here the pipe looks good. We're coming back from the middle of the street, 40 feet from the house. We're in the yard now. We're going to be coming up to the end of my chain knocker. I pulled it back to about 27 feet. There it is right there. We pulled past it. Continue back. Pipe looks good. We're coming up now to the transition, so we're going to move this real slow. There's the chain knocker. Okay, so there's a little bit of roots right there, and that is right at, there's a connection there to the transite, and there's also a turn. So we're going to pause the recording and we're going to work that spot a little more, and then we'll go back and look at it. Okay, so continuing with the inspection, we utilized the chain knocker. We cleaned out the pipe, and now as I pull it back towards that, through that spot, you're going to see it's right at the turn out in the yard between, let me push this in a little further. So this looks like we're in transite. And right there is the transition, transite to cast. We go underwater, and as I pull it back, Doug, scoop that in so we can see the distance, please. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, this is right at the spot. Now, you can see right there, it's at a turn, and the cast iron pipe is all deteriorated. So we're going to go out and locate and mark this position. Stop. Okay, so one last look at this. Everything looks good except for right here, which is right where the cast iron ends and the clay begins. I'm going to take a still shot, and the rest of the pipe looks good.